Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Just gonna go quickly through some of the stuff I got yesterday. Found an ad on Let Go. Guy was putting up an ad for a friend of his. So I managed to message him and went over and took a look at what he had, and this is what I ended up grabbing. Got the Mac tool extractor set. Of course, missing the bottom one, smallest one. Got a snap-on spinner. Put that on the ratchet. Come on, focus, you son of a bitch. There we go. Yeah. There's the part number for those old boo cow. There's a date code too. There's a broken Mac swivel that could be warranted. This is an Apex bit holder with an Apex bit in it, 1/2-inch drive. Yeah, 1/2 to 3/8 adapter from Snap-on. That's just a Mastercraft swivel. That's a Snap-on swivel. 1/2-inch drive. 3/4 to 1/2 with the locking pin. And that has a locking pin too. We got two 1/2 to 3/8. One Sunex and the other one's Snap-on. We got some Mac impact sockets, and this other one here is a Genius 12.6 mil. We got a lonely old Snap-on 7/16 made in Canada. We got some Mac 10s. The 3 to the right are Mac, the 3 to the left are SK. This is a complete set. Mac 12.9/16 down. Alright. Got a Mac pair of cutting dikes. Got a bunch of high-speed drill bits. Those are pretty nice. I don't have a lot of larger ones. There's a reaming bit. A couple CTC punch and chisel. This is a beautiful heel dolly. That thing's got some weight to it, and it is hardened steel. Not sure who makes this. No name on it. We got a Snap-on lady slipper. We have 3 gray lady slippers. Got a couple of gray pry bars. And we got Made in USA vice grip. I tell you, those clamps there, they're about $60 for that set, for that pair. Alright, on to the last bit here. Nice Mac ratchet. Needs to be serviced. It's kind of flopping a little bit. A couple of Mac screwdrivers. Nice Snap-on, Canadian. Ratcheting Snap-on. That bit don't go in it because that one doesn't come out. Double square Snap-on ratcheting head there. Couple Snap-on screwdrivers. And last but not least, we got a couple of mechanics time savers. 1/4-inch. And I'm not sure what this one's for. It's probably adapters. Maybe CP can tell me. Alright, in any case, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, the test light. And he also threw in a whack of these cut-off discs. They're always handy. But yeah, pretty good selection of stuff. Oh yeah, I found this on the road too when I was out my travels. I'm pretty sure that's a jackhammer bit that someone's cut down. But yeah, still could use that by hand. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.